Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo IX. First, let's establish the fundamental proportions. Begin by sketching a basic rectangular shape for the car's main body. This initial step helps define the overall length, which is about 177 inches, and the width. Next, mark out the wheelbase, approximately 103 inches, to ensure your wheels are correctly spaced. This foundation is crucial for an accurate representation. Now let's focus on the distinctive features that make the Evo IX instantly recognizable. Carefully outline the aggressive front grille, a key design element. Don't forget to include the functional hood vents and air intakes, which are crucial for its performance aesthetic. Move to the rear and sketch the iconic large spoiler, a signature of the Evo series. Finally, refine the sharp, angular shapes of the headlights and taillights, capturing their unique character. Next, we'll give our Evo IX its powerful stance by focusing on the wheels and tires. Begin by drawing the circular wheel wells, making sure they are proportionate to the body. Then, sketch the wheels themselves, often featuring an 18-inch diameter with a multi-spoke design. Add the tires, giving them a subtle bulge to convey weight and realism. This step is vital for achieving the car's characteristic aggressive, low-slung appearance, emphasizing its performance capabilities. For our final slide, let's bring your Evo IX drawing to life with some finishing touches. Carefully refine all your lines, ensuring they are crisp and clean, defining the car's sharp edges. Add subtle panel gaps and door lines to enhance realism and structure. Now, apply shading to create depth and highlight the car's muscular contours, paying attention to light sources. Finally, consider adding reflections to the windows and body panels for a polished, professional look.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.